Do you want to learn how to create animations like this?
Hey, have you checked out Great Filippo's YouTube channel yet?
Yes, I have. I love his content. He's so knowledgeable about tech stuff.
Exactly. I've learned so much from his videos.
Without even learning the big softwares to animate your videos, follow me closely, let me teach you.
Please subscribe and like this video.
So just open Google Play Store or App Store. Then search for Plotagon. Okay, then you install. I've already installed, so I'll just open it. Then you wait for some few seconds for the app to load. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Okay, so let's explore the features. The first feature is create a video. So you click on create a video over here. When you click on create a video, it has a pre-selected scene which can be changed by clicking on the movie clapper over here. Then we have speech bubble. The speech bubble is also used to add a dialogue. Then we have interaction over here. So the interaction also allows the character to interact with each other. Then we have the bell. The bell is also used to add sound effect to make the video more lively. And we have the musical notes over here. The musical note also allows you to add any music you want to your video. Then we have this A. It allows you to add a test plate to your video. So let's create something. So we are already having a scene. So let's change the background. Okay, so Plotagon is having a lot of scenes over here. So if you see the ones with this icon, it means it's for paid users or pro users. But if you see these ones, it is for free users. So you can click and download. So for the purpose of this video, I'll select this scene. You click on it to download. And after downloading, you click on it again to select. Then it is saying over here, no actor. So let's add our actors. Let's click on it and add our actors. You can choose to create your own character, or you can select the characters over here. So the ones with this icon is for paid or pro users, and the ones with this icon is for free users. So let's select this one for free users, and our actor is here. So from this bar, you can change the location or where the character is. You just click on it and select wherever you want the character to be. See, if you want the character to be behind the bookshelves, you click bookshelves. So let's add another character. So you click on no actor. Then you select your character. So let's look through and select a free character. So this one is free. Let's select. After downloading, you click on the character. Then you select where you want the character to be. Okay, so from here you can select where you want your character to be. So you click here and select wherever you want your character to be. So if you want your character to be on the chair, on the bookshelves, or behind the door, you just select and click OK. So let's add a few interactions. So you click on speech bubble. Then you select the actor you want to talk. So let's select the first actor. Then let's type whatever you want the actor to say, or you can choose to record whatever you want the actor to say over here. So for the purpose of this video, we will type. So let's type hello. Then let's see. Okay, so let's customize it a bit. So this one is used to change how close you want the camera to be to your character. So let's take it here so that it will be a bit far from the character. Then this is the camera angles. So you click here and how you want your camera to capture your character. So if you want to be in a dialogue mode, moving to right, moving to left, or even a wide shot, or to be at a standstill. So I want it to be in a dialogue mode so that you can communicate with the second character. So let me add a dialogue again. So this time I want the second character to talk. So I will select the second character. Then I will type whatever I want the second character to say. So, hi, how are you doing, please? Then let me change how close I want the camera to be on my character over here. Then, okay, so the camera angle, I will set it to dialogue mode so that both of the characters can be captured. Then, okay. So let's add a few sound effects to the video. So you click on the bell, then you click on sound to select your sound. Then you can get more sound by clicking here. So I'll choose chord over here. So let's hear it out. Okay, it's nice. So let's add a music by clicking on the musical notes. Then you click on music, then you select your music. You can get more music by clicking here. So for the purpose of this video, I'll choose happy. Then let's see. Okay, so let's check the full video out. Okay, you can see that the sound effect comes after the first character have finished talking. So let's move it a bit up. So you click on it, on the sound effect, then you click on the three dots over here, then we click on this up symbol over here so that it will start as soon as the video starts. So let's move it upward, and I think it is okay. And let's move the video to up. You click on the video, then we click on this three dots, then you move it up. Okay, so let's check it out again. And also you can choose how you want your character to talk. So when you select the character, then you click on this symbol over here, then you select whether you want it to be natural or there are many, so you just select. So let me choose shy. Then the other one to add this character, let me click on this icon, then I'll select thank you. So let's see. Okay, so let's start. So after making all your edits, you click here to save your video to your device. So after clicking on it, then you click on save video. Then you choose whether you want the video to be exported with subtitles or without subtitles. So I want my video to be exported with subtitles, so I'll click on export with subtitles. Then wait for some few seconds. Okay, then you click on done or share to share it with others. So let's check the video out.
Hello. Hi, how are you doing, please?
Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.